In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add a lead magnet using AI and N8N so you can automatically generate and deliver value to your leads without manual work. Start by opening N8N and creating a new workflow. Add a webhook trigger node, which will act as the entry point for incoming leads from your landing page or form. Copy the webhook URL and connect it to your form tools such as Typeform, Tally, or a custom website form. Next, capture the lead information such as name, email address, and their interest or request. Use a set node to organize and structure this data so it can be used later in the workflow. Now add an AI agent node or OpenAI node. This is where the system generates your lead magnet automatically. You can instruct the AI to create content like a short book, a checklist, a guide, or even an email sequence depending on your niche. For example, your prompt can tell the AI to generate a helpful guide based on the user's interest, making it highly personalized and valuable. After that, connect an email node such as Gmail or SMTP. This will send the generated lead magnet directly to the user's inbox. You can attach the AI-generated content or include a download link if you're hosting the file. Optionally, you can store all captured leads in Google Sheets or a CRM so you can track and manage your audience over time. Once everything is tested and working correctly, activate the workflow. From now on, every new lead will automatically receive a personalized AI-generated lead magnet. And that's how to add a lead magnet with AI and N8N capture leads, generate content with AI, and automatically deliver value to your audience.